What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you all the gift baskets I found for the 2025 holiday season at Costco. Let's go. And for $37, I got this guy. This is a good one here. It's got a nice little tin it comes with. Moose Crunches, different fudge mint cookies, crackers. There's different jams that come with it. It looks like decent quality stuff. $37. And step it up a notch. They also have, oh, this is a completely different box. That's that other one. But still, for 37 bucks, depends on what you're after. This is more my style. I don't even know what it is, but it's $25. I'm guessing it is, oh, fabric basket with handle. It's this guy. Oh, yeah, this is definitely the one. This is more of like an antipasta charcuterie board kind of thing. It's got this little like hummus thing. It even has a little miniature like apple cider, so you can pop the top. Some holy fudge, I don't know what that is. Olives. That one's probably the winner there for $25. And there's even different colors as well. But for $12.99, we got this guy. Comes with a nice tin that, you know, you can use with that. Maybe put some napkins or something afterwards. But there's some Ghirardelli. A couple little things look like some cookies and whatnot. But $12.99, oh, it's a candle holder. There you go. So that's part of the perk. You get a nice little candle holder to use. There's different colors. There's blue, white, and that is it. That's all I see. But it's $12.99. $14.99, you get a burlap bag of popcorn. Who doesn't want a burlap pack full of popcorn? This comes from Reindeer Farms, of course, from the North Pole. Looks like 5 different kinds of popcorn. It's kind of neat. Instead of the tin, you get a burlap sack, all for 15 bucks. Here's the one there, your cozy blanket, $60 freaking dollars, but it is cozy. You get this wooden box here, cozy little home, different colors. Looks like they all have the same design, but you get your blanket, which makes it cozy. Get some little holy fudges, ground coffee for cozy nights, and then different dark chocolate biscuits. Those look fancy. Get some premium hot cocoa. This is expensive in itself. Ghirardelli, like this box is probably like $8. Colorado Jacks, looks like some like popcorn, and then more dark chocolate Ghirardelli. Again, that's probably like $6 to $8 in itself. Some short cookies. Nice little blanket, feels soft. And yeah, $60, but you get that blanket. That is more expensive than it should be. That's pricey. And then there's a whole bunch more stuff up there. And then you get the honor of saying you got the cozy box. You know what? I take that back. The cozy box is $47.99 for all that. This is something else for $59. Rope basket that I do not see, but it better be nice. But either way, the cozy box got that much more cozy for $47.99. And last but not least, we got this tower. It's more traditional style. It's all tins for $26.79. Looks like, at least this one's labeled so you can easily see what's in there. You get all that good stuff for 28 bucks. There's all your nutritional facts too. To and from. Who's getting me this? $27. You know what? I actually spoke too soon. There's one more. For $21, you get this little mug set, which 4 mugs alone is not too bad for $20. But each mug is kind of hooked up with a little chocolate assortment. There, it looks like it's all the same thing. So you get some Ghirardelli chocolate, a little, I don't know what the heck that is, a little cookie of some sort, and some, looks like, I don't know what that is actually. Oh, double fudge candies. Double fudge candies. This is kind of neat because for $21 you have 4 gifts. 4 gifts in one. You could split it up, give it to 4 different people, give it to 2 people, whatever the heck you want to do. But you get 4 in 1 for 21 bucks. Here is the display as a whole. Let's see the size of it. It's quite a bit, and it goes on both sides.